In this video, we'll explain everything employers need to know about access codes on LIQUORexam.com. You'll learn what access codes are, how they work for your employees, how to purchase them, and where to find your available codes once they've been added to your account. Let's start with a quick explanation of what access codes are and how they're used. An access code is a unique code employers provide to their staff for a specific training course. It functions like a prepaid credit, so employees don't need to make a payment when enrolling. The employee simply enters the access code during enrollment to unlock their training and begin the course assigned by their employer. It's important to understand that employers have two options for getting training to their employees. They can either provide an access code, which allows the employee to self-register, or they can send a training invitation directly through their employer account. For this video, we're focusing on access codes. Once you've created your corporate account and login, you'll land on your profile page. When you click on the Remaining Credits tab, you'll see a list of the courses your company has purchased credits for. In this example, the account shows credits for the Alabama Alcohol Server Seller Training course. Under the Access Codes column, you'll see your company's unique code. In this case, it's E4LIF5B8. This is the code your employees will enter when enrolling in this specific course. The remaining column shows how many credits are still available. Here there are 41 credits remaining. And under expiration, you'll see the expiration date. Course credits are valid for 1 year from the date of purchase, and any unused credits after that date will automatically expire. If you ever feel your access code has been shared outside your organization, you can click the refresh icon next to the code. This will instantly generate a new secure code and deactivate the old one. From your account, you can purchase additional course credits at any time. You can do this by clicking Buy More Credits from the Remaining Credits tab or by selecting the Buy More Courses tab from the menu at the top. On this page, you'll see your company's shopping cart. To begin, click the blue button that says Click Here to purchase additional course credits. This will open the course selection screen. After clicking the button, you'll now see a drop-down menu under Select Course. Next, you'll choose the course you want to purchase credits for. Click inside the Select Course drop-down, and you'll see a full list of available training options. Once selected, the course will appear in your cart. After selecting your course, enter the number of credits you'd like to purchase in the quantity box. The unit price and total price will automatically update as you adjust the quantity. Discounts begin when you purchase 5 or more course credits, and the pricing updates automatically to reflect the discount. If you'd like to purchase credits for an additional course, for example, the CPR and basic first aid training along with your alcohol server training, just click the blue button again to add another course to your cart. Then follow the same steps to choose the course, enter the quantity, and review the total. Once everything looks correct, click the green Proceed to Checkout button to continue. This is the checkout page. Here, you'll see your order summary, including the total cost of your purchase. If you have a discount code, you can enter it in the box provided. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Next, enter your credit card information and click the green Complete Order button to finalize your purchase. Once your payment is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen and a receipt will be automatically emailed to you. A copy of that receipt will also be available anytime through your profile page. Your new course credits will be added instantly to your account and available for use right away. If your company prefers net 30 payment terms, just email us with the course name and quantity you'd like to purchase. We'll add the credits to your account and send an invoice with net 30 terms. Now you've learned how to purchase, locate, and manage access codes on LIQUORexam.com. Access codes make it simple for employers to provide training to their team, keeping compliance easy, organized, and affordable. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your company's alcohol and food safety training needs. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, we appreciate your business and look forward to continuing to support your team's compliance and success.